with me? And what we end up doing, we as hairdressers, we take this line here, and we end up going back into here. You've got this ugly line coming through here. How did that happen? It's because we didn't respect the shape of the head. Does that make sense? And it doesn't matter what you're cutting. You know, if you're doing a little, you know, sideways, blend it in. This is the most difficult part of filming this whole head right here. So then you just keep on doing that now. So now I'm going to take my next one. That's not, so I'm just going to take this. Keep it up again. Bring that over. Everything's brought over. Everything is brought over. So what I'm doing is I'm just doing a little bob, but I'm standing on end. I try and make everything so simple. I know how to do a great bob. Do you? We all know how to do a bob. So all I want you to do is a bob. Right here. But we're standing it up, which is kind of weird, but then we're all weird anyway. Right? That's the new norm, isn't it? Weirdness. So pull it over. Look.